Yeah, all right, guys. So welcome again to another video. Now, on this one, we're going to be doing a weekly analysis. On the pairs that we are most interested in. On the pairs that we're most interested in. So, like you've seen the thumbnail. These pairs will make money for this month. The month of 2025, February. These pairs are setting to get you money. Setting, trust me, they are setting to get you money. So, let's get right into the video. First pair, like I said in the other video, you should like drop a pair you want me to analyze for you, and I will make a video on it. So the first pair would be Euro USD for like 2 weeks. I think for like 2 weeks, I think the dollar wasn't trending at all. Euro USD wasn't trending. USD car wasn't trending. It was consolidating for a long time. But now we have opportunities. We have opportunities from the daily, weekly, and the monthly time frame because they are all in what confluence. They are all bearish. We're looking for sales. We're not looking for buys. We're not looking for anything else. We're not looking to scalp. We're looking for sales and sales only. All right, so let's go to the monthly time frame because it's a new month, and whenever it's a new month, you want to see how the monthly time frame, how the monthly candlestick close, so you could get an idea of what you might expect. So on the monthly time frame right here, you can see we're still very bearish, still very bearish. I can see there are no indicators, no major lines, just nothing, like just straight support and resistance, counter trend line entry, all of that. I can see we're very bearish. We had an indecision candle, that's a doji. So for the month of January, basically we have an indecision, and basically it's something like the market doesn't know what to do. But we know what we're looking for. We're looking for sales. It's something to you, we're looking for what sales. I'm not gonna say, oh, the market has given us a candle like this and we should expect a reversal. No, no, no. I don't know. You should not think for yourself. You should let the market think for you. What do I mean by that? You should let the market tell you what it wants to do. You should let the market tell you, give you an information, give you an idea with the data you're seeing. With the data I'm seeing, I don't care about what candlestick it prints. With the data we're seeing, we're bearish. So move all the way to the weekly time frame, and then the weekly time frame was still bearish, even though we had this little retracement, but obviously just a weekly retracement. Now there's something I want to say. Retracements on the lower time, or retracements on the higher time frame, or rather break of structure on the daily time frame, for example, may just be a retracement on the weekly time frame. Break of structure on the weekly time frame may just be a retracement on the monthly time frame. That's how it goes. So on the weekly time frame, we've seen that we're bearish, still very bearish. We're having a rejection candle right here. Then we should have a push because the market moves with volume, rejection, push. You see what I'm saying? So you can see here, volume, rejection, push, volume, rejection, push. So all the way to the daytime. Now, on the daytime frame, we're forming a head and shoulder rather. We're forming a very, very, very beautiful head and shoulder. There's something that this is the beauty about prices that have chart patterns. This is the beauty about them. You see, whenever you find a price that has chart pattern on it from the past, because this line right here is from the past. These lines are daily lines. They're from the past. Whenever you see a chart pattern that has whenever you see a price that has chart pattern, trust me, 9 times out of 10, that price is going to give you another chart pattern as confirmation. Why? What do I mean by that? This line right here, this price right here was drawn from a chart pattern. On the left, there's a double top right there. Now, if you see the double top right here again, if you look right here, there's a head and shoulder forming up. Now, I may have missed it because I was expecting, a little bit of, more confirmation, but it's fine. I am confident. I do feel that the market, hold on 1 minute. I do feel that the market might, give us a retracement into this level back. Why am I saying that? Because it's a month, it's a new month, it's a new week. The market is not just gonna open on Sunday and then boom, 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 rush. No, it's gonna create a week. You should understand this. The market will create a week. You see what I'm saying? So there's a possibility that we might have a rejection candle over here, and then a retest to give us this beautiful head and shoulder structure. Or we might not. We might not, but what I'm expecting is for that to happen. So on the 4 hour time frame, our entry is gonna come from our entry is gonna come from right here. Right here. You can see double top, head and shoulders, double top right here, head and shoulder right here, head and shoulder right here. This is what I'm saying. Like these prices, they carry chart patterns. You know what I'm saying to you? They carry what chart patterns. These prices carry chart patterns. So you should expect. Actually, I'm expecting a retracement back into this level, so I can execute my trades. That's what I'm expecting. At first I was like, okay, I need this amount of consolidation to happen here before I get interested in the trade. But the market was very volatile. If you notice on Friday, the market was very, 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 very volatile. So it might have gone and left us, but it's fine. It doesn't matter. Even though listen, even though the market leaves you, even though the market goes and fulfills levels, and you haven't caught a trade, bro, it's fine. It's fine. You don't have to rush it. You don't have to pursue it. Let it go. Because the market is like a taxi. Are you going to run after a bus? Are you going to run after the train? No, you're not. You're going to have to wait for the next one to come. And 9 times out of 10, those people who actually run, they actually miss it by hitting stop losses. So just wait. Even though I miss it straight, no problem. I have another here. Even though I miss it straight right here, there's another here. It doesn't matter. You see what I'm saying? All you have to do is be patient. Patience, patience, patience. So I was expecting this amount of consolidation right here, this amount of consolidation right here to happen here. You see what I'm saying to you? And it's almost done actually. It's almost done. Like I'm saying, it's almost done. Just one more candle for us to. But it was supposed to maybe consolidate, give us a low. No, but too much volatility in the market, so the market has come down now. It's giving us a lower low. Hopefully, the market comes back into this level, weak sourcing, but maintains the structure. You see what I'm saying? That type of thing where the market weaks, but it maintains the structure. Something like that. That's what I'm expecting. But for now, that's all that there is. Then you might be asking, why don't just get in an entry from this? Why don't get in another entry from this neckline? Listen, the time frame, the stronger the signal. The higher the time frame, the stronger the price of entry, the price, the structure. You see what I'm saying to you? There's every possibility that the daily time frame might, and the monthly time frame, because it's a new month and a new week. There's every possibility that the week might week a lot of people out. I'm expecting that to happen, but I'm not trying to say, oh, I want people to lose money. But I'm expecting that to happen to be in my favor so I can get in. But the market might open and just start plummeting to the downside. We never know. We never know with the market these days. So on USD card, like I said in the first time, in Euro USD, I'm expecting the market to give us a consolidation like this. Yeah, that's why this box is here. It tells me count the amount of candles from the past that I'm expecting in the future. So right here, boom, all the way here, and you can see it hasn't filled up yet. But it's going up already. But it doesn't matter. I don't care. My plan is my plan. My rule is my rule. It has to happen the way I want it to happen, or there's no trade for me. So on USD card, it's looking good to be honest. Because even the monthly time frame, I do think on the monthly time frame on USD card, I do feel that we might break into these levels right here. We might use these levels. Why? Because you can see on these levels right here, all we had was on the monthly time frame were weeks and weeks. But now we're having full body closes outside. We've had like 3 body closes outside of this level. So I'm very sure that we might consolidate in here for a while. That's one thing. You see what I'm saying? The market will go impulse, consolidation. We might consolidate in here for a while, but this is something new. You see what I'm saying? Normally the market will just weak and then drop. You see what I'm saying? Weak drop. But now we're having body closes, 1, 2, 3 body closes. So let's expect the market to either go up or maintain structure in this space to then keep going to the upside. But for now, the bias is still bullish. Let's just keep that in mind that we are still very much bullish on the weekly time frame. If you look over here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We are still very, very, very much bullish. So there's no reason why I should look for sales as a scalper. I do not care. I don't know. It doesn't matter what you do, but for those with top down analysis in their minds, we'll look for buys, and that's all that there is. We'll look for buys. And there's every possibility that the daily time frame might also, come down and give us, like a Fibonacci, area of interest around here. Give us a Fibonacci play around here with a trend line, and that's classic, something. But whatever the market does, we do. You see what I'm saying? Whatever the market says, we do. Anywhere the market goes, we go. Anywhere the money goes. You get me? Anywhere the money goes. But yeah, that's it for USD card. For USGJPY, these are the pairs that that look juicy for us this month. To be honest, this month actually, because we trading, you do not need 1,000 pairs, you do not need 5,000 pairs, you just need that one pair that clicks for you. You see what I'm saying? Now on the daily time frame, break of counter trend line, perfect. Break of structure, perfect. Break of support, perfect. You see what I'm saying to you? On the daily time frame, we're on the weekly rather, we're bullish. USGJPY is bullish on the weekly. Perfect. Fibonacci is in play. You see what I'm saying? Fibonacci is what in play. You can see right here. Fibonacci is in play right here. You see what I'm saying? Perfect. 61.61 and 50 times. You see what I'm saying? Perfect. You can see how even my support on the weekly time frame is in confluence with these levels. You see what I'm saying? These, see, the thing about USD is this, yeah? USD is always precise. The dollar is always precise. But if you were to look at GJ, you wouldn't see this kind of formation on GJ. You see a lot of noise, a lot of little candles. But you see with the dollar, it is so precise. It goes where it wants to go. You get me? So on the weekly time frame, we're bullish. On the monthly time frame, we're very much bullish. If not, we wouldn't be looking at it at all. But on the daily time frame, we're also very much we're bearish on the daily time frame rather. We're bearish. So we need structure to be broken. That's this structure right here. We need this structure to be broken. We need the retest on the 4 hour, and we need confirmation, and then we need to buy all the way to first. We hold all the way to TP1, and then we take majority, close majority, and then hold all the way to this level, and then we're done. That's all that there is. There's no buying and selling. No, just look for one, make a rule, make a plan, execute, and let it ride. I say again, make a rule, make a plan, execute, and let it ride. You see what I'm saying? Immediately when I get my entry in here on the 4 hour time frame or the 1 hour, it doesn't matter as long as it follows the entry strategy. This is going to my TP1, and I'm not going to say, oh, the market is here. I'm in profit. Why don't I just I hold all the way here? No, when it gets here, this is 100% area. I'm going to take majority out, take profit out, because there's every possibility that the market could come here and then fall. We do not know, but what I know is with the test of time, with what we've seen in the past, and you see what I'm saying, we're going to make rules off of that. You get me? We're going to make rules off of that. So when you get your majority, you take out majority of your profit, stop loss or break even, and then hold all the way to the upside. You're not going to die if you do. Just close the market, close the chart, check it once a day. That's the beauty about swing trading. You don't have to be in front of the computer every day, every time, every hour. You see what I'm saying? That's not how trading works. I mean, there are a lot of people who make money off of that, but there's a way to make money, and there's a great way to make money. This is a great way to make money because you don't have to lose every time. You don't have to trade every time, and every trade you take is calculated, and you're going to make profit every time you follow your trading plan. Now, I'm not saying you're not going to hit stop losses, because trust me, there are many times you may you may take a trade, yeah, and you follow all your entry strategy. You follow your plan to the letter, but you still take a loss. It's fine. It's perfect. Because last month, I'll tell you this. Last month, yeah, I took about 7 trades last month. Yeah, 7 trades. Most of them I was not supposed to take. You see what I'm saying? Most of them I wasn't supposed to take. I took 7 trades. I lost five, and I won two. You see what I'm saying? But guess what? I still, sorry, excuse me. I still came out the month with 1% profit. You see what I'm saying? I still came out the month with 1% profit. But I lost 5 trades, right? And I took 7 trades and I won two. Why? Because those two I took, yeah, were above 2 to 1. 2 to 1. You see what I'm saying? Those two I took were, 3 to 1, 4 to 1 trades. You see what I'm saying? Why? Because of the long term projection. Excuse me. Because of the long term projection I have of the markets. You see what I'm saying? But for this month, we have to correct. I'm still a newbie, and this is my third year in the market. You see what I'm saying? My third year in the market, you know, there's room for improvement. I come to the market every day hoping to learn something new. And that's one thing you need to understand. You cannot understand the market fully until you are consistent. You need to come to the market, build up time in the chart, build up experience in the market. And the only way to do that is to be consistent in coming to the computer every day, coming to the market every day. Not just to press buy and sell, but to study the patterns, study the things. Because trust me, there are many more entry strategies that are out there in the market that you may have not, your eyes may have not been, accustomed to. You see what I'm saying? But the only way for your eyes to be accustomed to them is if you appear in the chart every day, every single day. You see what I'm saying to you? Every single day. Because what's the difference? You go to a job and then you spend your life and you spend your hours there. You go there every day, but you're not willing to come to the market every day. You see what I'm saying to you? If that's not the mentality you have right here, then go look for something else. Go work in a factory or something. You see what I'm saying to you? But these are the pairs for the week. And one thing about making these videos, it helps me to follow my own rules. So imagine I take a trade, I take a trade and then boom, I come on here and tell you, oh, I took a trade, but I didn't take the trade the way we planned to take. It's not going to be, I'm going to seem like a hypocrite, right? So these videos also help me, in I have a journal, you see what I'm saying? But these videos are like, higher journaling for me because, you know, I have a sworn, basically a sworn affidavit that I'm going to take the trade this manner, is making a video like a sworn affidavit, that I'm going to take the trade in this manner. So whatever I see, that's the way I'm going to take it. And when I come here, I'm going to say, oh, I took it this way. I took it the exact same way we said we're going to take it, and then we make money or we lost money. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that we follow your risk management. Listen, I'll tell you this here: the difference between us for traders and those who go to the casino is risk management. You see what I'm saying? The probability is the same with being in a casino. Trust me, risk management is all that matters. If you're risking 1%, 2%, 3%, keep the risk steady. Keep the consistent risk to the amount of drawdown you know. It doesn't matter how much. You see what I'm saying? But keep your risk steady because though you might lose 10 and win 5, and because your risk is steady and your risk to reward is always more than your risk. Trust me. Trust me, 10 over 10, you're gonna come out with profit of the month. Trust me, it happened to me this month, and I can testify to that. You see what I'm saying? So this is the end of the video, and I urge you lot to subscribe. You get me? Subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to do. But I'm not making this video to make money off of YouTube. I don't really care about none of that. But what I'm doing is to because listen, yeah, I love watching videos on trading. I love even when I watch movies. It's on trading. It's on in my blood. You see what I'm saying? It's in my mind. I go to bed at night. I dream of trading. You see what I'm saying to you? But why I do this is because I know there are a lot of people out there who want to watch just trading videos, not just lifestyle videos, not just you spending money. All of that's nonsense. Trust me. The most important thing is knowledge. The most important thing is mastering this skill. When you do, trust me, you're going to change your life. You're going to change your family's life. Most importantly, your neighbor's life. That's all that matters. You see what I'm saying to you? So I urge you, to stay in the presence of God. Keep trading, keep studying. Because trust me, it's hard right now. You get what I'm saying? You're gonna make sacrifices. And trust me, I'm making them. You get me? All you have to do is just keep making them. Keep being consistent. If this didn't work, then why would our mentors be living the life we desire to live? You see what I'm saying? So it works. All that matters is that you don't work. That's what matters. You don't work. If you don't work, then you've given up. You see what I'm saying? It works. Let's keep being consistent. Let's keep pushing each other. You see what I'm saying? Let's keep making mistakes. That's the most important thing. Keep making mistakes and keep learning from mistakes. You get me? That's the only way to move forward. Be open to failure. I'm open to failure every time. You see what I'm saying? So be open to failure, and I hope you lot have a great weekend. God bless you lot. Bye.